welcome to Akshara Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss final revision for Essay 1 Part 2. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one, light reflection and refraction. In this, today's topic is types of mirrors, and we'll discuss about the detailed types of mirrors. There are two types of mirrors: plane mirror, spherical mirror. Let us discuss. Plane mirror. A plane mirror is a thin, flat and smooth sheet of glass having a shining coating of silver metal on one side. It is represented by a straight line having a number of short oblique lines on one side. So, a plane mirror nothing but plane mirror is a thin, flat and smooth sheet of glass having a shining coating of silver metal on one side. So, one side should be coated with the silver metal, it is shining, and it is represented by a straight line having a number of short and oblique lines on one side. So, that straight line represents the polished surface. Suppose this is the straight line and these lines are oblique lines on one side. So, this indicates the polished surface and this side reflecting surface. So, a plane mirror is a thin, flat and smooth sheet of glass having a shining coating of silver metal on one side. So, it is represented by a straight line having a number of short and oblique lines on one side. Okay. Next. Now, I will discuss what are the characteristics of plane mirror. First one, the image formed is virtual and direct. The image is of the same size as the object, nothing but object size is equals to the image size. So, that is size of the object is equals to size of the image. Next, the image is at the same distance behind the mirror as the object is in front of the mirror. So, object distance is equals to image distance, that is object distance is equal to the image distance. The last one is the image formed is laterally inverted. Laterally inverted nothing but the phenomenon of right hand become left hand and left hand become right hand. This is phenomenon of lateral inversion. So, the image is virtual and direct and size of the object is equals to size of the image and distance of object is equals to image distance and image is laterally inverted. These are the characteristics of a plane mirror. Next, uses. These are used to see ourselves in making periscopes. Now, I will discuss important points. Anything which gives out light rays is called an object. Image is an optical appearance produced when light rays coming from an object are reflected from a mirror. So, the image which can be obtained on a screen is called a real image, and the image which cannot be obtained on a screen is called a virtual image. So, the image is an optical appearance produced when light rays are coming from an object or reflected from a mirror. So, these images are two types, real image and virtual image. Which can be caught on a screen is known as real image and which cannot be caught on a screen is known as virtual image. Okay. Next, spherical mirror. Now, let us discuss. A spherical mirror is that mirror whose reflecting surface is that a part of a hollow sphere of glass or simple one, a part of a hollow sphere is known as a spherical mirror. There are two types of spherical mirrors. One is concave mirror and other is convex mirror. Now let us discuss. Concave mirror. A spherical mirror in which the reflection of light takes place at the concave surface or bent in surface is known as concave mirror. This is the pictorial representation of concave mirror. This lines indicates a polished surface and it is bent in surface, bent inwards, that is reflecting surface. So a spherical mirror in which the reflection of light takes place at the concave surface or bent in surface is known as concave mirror. Next, concave mirror. Now let us discuss uses. These are used as shaving mirrors, reflectors in torches, doctors' head mirrors, etc. So concave mirrors are used in torches and used as shaving mirrors, and to examine the teeth doctors are using these mirrors. Okay, concave mirror. Next, now we will discuss rules for image formation. Rays parallel to the principal axis get reflected back through focus. So a ray which is parallel to the principal axis and the reflected ray passes through the focus. Next, the rays passing through the focus will emerge parallel to the principal axis after reflection. So a ray which coming from the focus will emerge parallel to the principal axis after reflection. The rays from center of curvature get reflected back along its own path. So the rays are from the center of curvature. So any ray which passes through the center of curvature, it retraces its same path. A ray of light incident obliquely at pole gets reflected at the same angle on the other side of the principal axis into the same medium as per the rules of reflection, that is laws of reflection. Angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. So the first rule is any ray which is parallel to the principal axis, reflected ray passes through focus. The second rule is any ray which passes through the focus will emerge parallel to the principal axis after reflection. So the third one is the ray or any rays passes through center of curvature, it retraces its same path. The fourth one is a ray of light incident obliquely at poles get reflected at the same angle on the other side of the principal axis into the same medium from the laws of reflection. Angle I is equals to angle R. Okay, these are the rules for image formation. Now discuss the image formation by a concave mirror for different position of the object. The first one is when the object is at infinity. So the image formed at focus. The size of the image is highly diminished and point sized, and nature of the image is real and inverted. The second case is when the object is beyond C. The image formed between F and C, the image is diminished image and the image is real and inverted. The third one is when the object is at C, image position also same at C, and size of the image also same size of the object. So the image is real and inverted. The fourth one is between F and C. Now we are placing the object between F and C. The position of the image is beyond C and the size of the image is enlarged. The nature of the image is real and inverted. Okay. Next, when the object is at F, image formed at infinity, it is highly enlarged. The nature of the image is real and inverted. The last one is between P and F, pole and focus. The image formed behind the mirror, the image is enlarged and the image is virtual and erect. Only this is the case. Concave mirror is getting the virtual and erect image when the object is between pole and F. The image formed behind the mirror, the size of the image is enlarged and nature of the image is virtual and erect. Okay. Next. Now discuss convex mirror. A spherical mirror in which the reflection of light takes place at the convex surface or bulging out surface is called convex mirror. See this picture, convex mirror, and this is the polished surface and this is a reflecting surface, this is bulging out surface. So a spherical mirror in which the reflection of light takes place at the convex surface or bulging out surface. Next, uses, we'll discuss convex mirror. These are used as rear view mirrors in vehicles and shop security mirrors. So convex mirror are used in rear view mirrors. While we are going on the road, the persons are coming back of us, we can see by using convex mirror. So it is used as a side mirror. So these are used as rear view mirrors in vehicles and shop security mirrors. In ATM machines also we are using convex mirrors. Okay. Next, rules for image formation. Rays parallel to the principal axis get reflected and appear to come from the principal focus. The rays going towards the principal focus will emerge parallel to the principal axis after reflection. The rays from the center of curvature get reflected back along its own path. A ray of light incident obliquely at pole gets reflected at the same angle on the other side of the principal axis into the same medium. Okay. A ray which is parallel to the principal axis get reflected and appear to come from the principal focus. And second one is the rays going towards the principal axis will emerge parallel to the principal axis after reflection. The rays are coming from the center of curvature, it retraces its same path and the angle of incidence is equals to the angle of reflection by the loss of reflection. So a ray of light incident obliquely at pole gets reflected at the same angle on the other side of the principal axis into the same medium. Okay. Next. Now I will discuss image formation by a convex mirror for different position of the object. First one, when the object is at infinity, the image is formed at the focus F behind the mirror. The image is highly diminished and point sized, virtual and erect. Convex mirror forms always virtual images only. Second one, when the object is placed between infinity and pole of the mirror, so the image formed between P and F behind the mirror, the image is diminished. The nature of the image is virtual and erect. So by using the convex mirror, the image formed is virtual and erect and it is diminished. So always convex mirror forms a diminished image and the image is virtual and erect. Okay. Next. See this new Cartesian sign conventions for spherical mirrors. See here, this is a spherical concave mirror and it is the principal axis and it is the pole, and here direction of incident light. So first sign convention is when the incident ray direction is along the direction of incident ray, distance is positive. Suppose If it is opposite direction of the incident ray, then distance is negative. So that is distance towards the left negative, distance towards the right positive. Height we are considering above the principal axis positive, below the principal axis negative. So all the distances are measured from the pole. The first one is all the distances are measured from the pole, and second one is the distances are measured along the direction of the incident ray positive and opposite direction of the incident ray negative. Height upwards positive, height up downwards negative. Okay, these are the new Cartesian sign convention for spherical mirrors. Okay, thanks for watching this video.